From this video, you will get tips to prepare for AD0-E409 Adobe Target Architect Master Exam. AD0-E409 Exam Overview. Minimum experience recommended. Exam objectives and scope. Why choose pass question? 1. Once the target request, mbox, is received by Adobe Target, what gets executed first? A. Profile scripts. B. Audience qualification. C. Content scripts. D. DOM manipulation. Answer: A. 2. When specifying a server-side implementation of Adobe Target, which ID will be generated if not explicitly defined? A. AAMUUID. B. TNT-ID. C. Third-party ID. D. Index ID. Answer: B. 3. In an iOS native application with an Adobe Target implementation, what are the two primary methods to create a targeted location? Choose 2. A. Target create request with name. B. Target create request. C. Target create location. D. Target load request with name. E. Target load request. Answer: A. E. 4. An optimization team is struggling to manually update the image tags in the HTML code of the page and would prefer to use the Visual Experience Composer, VEC, to more easily swap images. Which two steps are required to ensure the marketing team can quickly swap the images? Choose 2. A. Share image folders from Adobe Experience Cloud Assets Core Service with Adobe Target. B. Contact Adobe Customer Care to provision image offers. C. Enable image offers in Adobe Target Setup. D. Contact Adobe Customer Care to request the Scene 7 account configuration. E. Upload image files to Adobe Experience Cloud Assets Core Service. Answer: D. E. 5. What are benefits of server-side delivery for Adobe Target? Select 2. A. Faster rendering times. B. Improved data security. C. Simplified setup process. D. Consistent experience across platforms. Answer: B. D. 6. A client is getting an error message in the Visual Experience Composer, VEC. The message indicates that no property is associated with a particular activity, even though there is a property assigned. What causes this error message? A. The activity is in the incorrect workspace. B. The wrong entity.id is set for the activity. C. The client is assigned to the wrong user group. D. _ property is missing in the Adobe Target request, mbox. Answer: D. 7. The client wants to be able to recommend high profit margin products on low profit margin product pages. Which method should be used to pass profit margin product data to Adobe Target? Recommendations? Data source. B. URL parameter. C. Feeds entity. D. Product metadata. Answer. C. 8. A retail company is planning to use automated personalization from Adobe Target to personalize content based on user visits. What are two visit-based features that automated personalization supports? Choose two. A. M-Box parameters. B. Experience Cloud audiences. C. Rawbox implementations. D. Emails. Answer. A. B. 9. The e-commerce team wants to run an A/B test to promote the company email newsletter, but only to first-time visitors who are not logged in and have not arrived at the website with an email campaign ID. Analytics for Target, A4T, has been configured correctly. Adobe Analytics has a segment that meets these requirements. The person setting up the Adobe Target activity is unable to select Adobe Analytics as the reporting source. The Adobe Target architect has verified the user does belong to a group with access to both Analytics and Target. To which other group should the user belong? A. Enterprise User Permissions Group. B. Adobe Target Product Admin. C. Web Services Access Group in Adobe Analytics. D. Analytics Admin Permissions Group. Answer. C. Subscribe and like past question.